Alright, the question is saying a chocolate cake costs $2 more than a butter cake. The cost of 6 chocolate cakes and 5 butter cakes is 130.8. Find the cost of a chocolate cake. So whenever we have to convert a word problem into an algebraic equation, step number 1 is to consider the unknown thing as x. So here we have two unknown things: the cost of the chocolate cake, the cost of the chocolate cake, and the cost of the butter cake. So here it is saying the cost of chocolate cake is 2 more than the butter cake. So we can take the butter cake as x, and then we have to relate any other unknown with this x. We always take the first unknown as x, and then we consider the other unknowns. We relate the other unknowns with x. So what is the relation of the other unknown? It is 2 more than. The wordings of the question will tell you. So the wording of the question is telling us that the cost of chocolate cake is 2 more than this. So if this is x, 2 more than means plus 2. So we will add 2 in this x to get the cost of chocolate cake. So the expression for the chocolate cake, the cost of chocolate cake is x plus 2, and the expression for the cost of butter cake is x. Now it is saying the cost of 6 chocolate cakes and 5 butter cakes is 130.8. So 6 times chocolate plus 5 times butter, the total cost is 130.8. Whenever we have to find out the total value of anything, we always multiply the value of single unit by number of units. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर आपके पास एक पेन है, उसकी कॉस्ट 10 रुपीज़ है. आपको ये देखना है कि 50 पेन्स अगर मैं लूँगा तो उसकी क्या टोटल वैल्यू, टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होगी. तो 1 पेन इज़ 10 रुपीज़ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 50 पेन्स, राइट, विल गिव यू द टोटल वैल्यू. So 10 multiplied by 50 is 500. So 500 is the total value of 50 pence. So whenever we have to find out the total value of anything, we multiply the number of things by the value of one unit. So here the chocolate cakes are 6, and every chocolate cake cost x plus 2. This x plus 2 is the expression for the cost of one piece. एक piece की cost x plus 2 है, और बटर केक में एक पीस की कॉस्ट x है. सो 6 टाइम्स द नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट केक्स, नंबर कितना है x प्लस 2. सो 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय x प्लस 2 विल गिव यू द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ चॉकलेट केक्स, and 5 times x, 5 multiplied by x will give you the total cost of the butter cakes, right? This is for chocolate cakes and this is for butter cakes. So when you add the total cost of chocolate plus the total cost of butter cakes, the total cost altogether is 130.8. Now we have formed an equation. So when we solve the equation, we will get the value of x, and that value of x is telling you the cost of butter cake. Okay, so when you solve this, this will be 6x plus 12. We have opened the bracket, 6 multiplied by x and 6 multiplied by 2 plus 5x equals to 130.8. Then this will be 6x plus 5x, x with x we add, so this will be 11x, and 12 will be shifted on the other side because we cannot add this 12 with x. This is the basic rule, that we only add the variable with variable and the number with number, the constant with constant. So we are going to subtract this 12 from 130.8. So when you minus 130.8, 12 from 130.8, it will be 118.8. 118.8. Now 11 is getting multiplied with x. So when you shift on the other side, ये ऑपोजिट साइड पे जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. अब 118.8 11 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड? वी विल यूज़ लॉन्ग डिविजन. 118.8 divided by 11, so this will be 11 ones are 11, or we can do 11 tens are, we can do 11 tens are 110. 8 is the remainder. Decimal will be shifted on the top. Okay, the decimal is going to be shifted on the top. So this is 10, and 8 we are going to carry down. This becomes 88. So 11 8s are 88. The answer is 10.8. So the value of x is 10.8. This 10.8 is the cost of butter cake. This is the value of x. So it is $10.8. Now the requirement is to find out the cost of chocolate cake. So the cost of chocolate cake is 2 more than, which is x plus 2. So x is 10.8. इसमें हम सिर्फ क्या करेंगे, प्लस 2 कर देंगे. The cost of chocolate cake is $12.8. So this is our final answer, as the requirement was to find out the cost of chocolate cake. So here is the cost of chocolate cake.